Welcome students in my new tutorial. Although this should be my second tutorial based upon MS Word. So first of all I'll open MS Word. So this is my Word icon. Last time I told you even you can type here Word and then you can click on this icon. Now you could see here in recent the file which I have saved earlier. So it's seen here. I can click here and the file is opened. Now in this tutorial I'll do some other formatting effects. So I have selected, first of all I'll select this by pressing the left mouse button. So this is selected. So last time I told you how to increase the size, how to decrease the size, like this I told. And now you are working upon this page, you can see this page. Now if you want to see how your page is looking like, so always you can click on view on the top here, view, and here there is the option of one page. This is one page. It's giving the idea of whole page how it's looking like. And then in the view 100% option, it's 100% option of the page. And then page width, although for working mostly the users like this option, page width. So means you can see overall width of the page and you can easily work here, like suppose you can see this insertion point. So wherever you want to type, suppose I want to type something here, I'll type directly. So this is the insertion point, the blinking line. I'll show it here. This blinking line. This blinking line, this line. This is called insertion point. It allows you to insert the text. So wherever my insertion point is, it allows me to type there directly. And it always blinks. So this option, I hope it is clear. Page width is also clear, but just now I'll make it to 100%. And now I'll just select it and I'll do the changes. So today first option what I'll use is changing the color of the font. Suppose I want to make it red, you could see here it's red, then blue, and then even you can click on more colors. Suppose I clicked on more colors, and from here you can select any color of your style. See, and always don't forget that you have to select the text. Suppose I'm selecting only convent and now I want to change the color. See, I can easily change it. So I'm selecting all the text once again, as I was teaching you about changing the colors, telling you about the options. So more colors I have already told you. Gradient. So this is also nice style about the gradients. Suppose I'll click upon the variation is not that much good. Okay, so after selecting red, see these are the styles. You could see, suppose if I click it, these are the gradients. More it will be clear if I click on gradient and more gradients. Just wait. You could see here format text effects. Here the options are there. Solid fill, simple color. Gradient fill. In gradient fill, preset gradients are there. I click upon this. You could see here different gradients. Gradient means variation of colors. That means from mixing of two colors, some gradient is been made. Suppose I click this one, you could see here. See how this gradient is looking like. And in preset gradients, many colors are there. You can select any according to your choice. And then type is radial. Now these are some formats in gradients. Like linear, it will show some different effect. Radial, it will show some different effect of the gradient. Rectangular and path. So all gradients will give different effect to the text. Then the gradient stops. Suppose I'll select this one, this gradient, and now this is the changing of the variation of colors. So what I'll do, the first one I'll select, I'll click here, and from here I'll select blue color. From here I'll select yellow, and here I'll select red. Now see, I'm able to make my own gradient of the text. I hope students you are clear with this. And then this position means changing either manually. I can do directly from here, or you can just press position from here also. And then transparency means how much brighter it should be. Means if I'll just make it to 61, this blue color, see, you could see here, if you'll see here, it's coming white, it's coming white, and here also. So I hope the you are clear with the process what I want to teach you. And brightness, see, it's changing the brightness of the tab stops. Different colors has been used, and always you can add your own add own gradient stops. Like suppose if you click it here directly, one more color is there. I can suppose select green color in between, like here, maybe this color. So you could see here overall change gradient. So I hope this concept is clear how to use the gradient in the text. And even you could see here text outline. Suppose solid line, if I'll click, you could see here solid line. Earlier no line, it's looking like this. With the solid line, it's looking like this. And in text outline also, you can have the color of your choice, green, red. According to your choice, you can change the color. Then again the transparency, lighter means you will have light color outline, and otherwise you will have full color outline. So this is again the gradient line, and in the gradient line you have the preset formats. Rest of the options of the gradient will be same as I have taught earlier, so I will not cover all the things again in this tutorial. And at the bottom again you can change the color of the gradient outside. These are the gradient lines. Even you can give the gradient to that also. Position, width, yes, this is different. Width, how much broader you want. Suppose I had made 2.25, you could see here the width is been increased. Width of the line, that means the border of the text. You could see here, it's changed. So I'll decrease it. And then these are the options, like suppose I'll select this one. You could see here what kind of border I am having. Okay, that means the border line, compound type, dash type. Here also the types are there. If I click on this round out, you could see the changes. Cap type, square, round, three options are there. So according to that, different result you will find. And joint type again, round, bevel, meter. So it will give you the changes. So I hope this concept is very much clear to you, that how can you change the color of the text. Okay, so I think my tutorial is becoming little lengthy. So in this I've taught you about how to change the color of the text and how to give the outline. So just practice this. If you have any doubt, then please comment at the bottom, and if you like my tutorial, please do like, share and comment. Okay, bye bye, take care. Please wait for my next tutorial.